One little girl's life is about to change forever. Meet Stitch, an alien experiment with a big secret. Sent from another planet. He's about to find something he never knew he needed. A friend. A hug. Home. Ohana means family, and family means no one gets left behind or forgotten.